Guys, it is Alex here, and today, guys, I have got this pole here that allows you to hear noises under the water. And it's making really weird noises. Oh.
Let me hear the noises if they're real.
Yeah. Like, put it towards the middle of tomorrow. You can hear it better.
I don't believe you.
Just stick it back in there.
No, I still don't believe you.
Stick it like in the middle and leave it in there. Makes it like a whale noise. You do it again, Chris. See if you can hear it.
What is that sound?
It's like a whale. Sounds like a whale. That's crazy, man. I don't know what to do. 'Cause now we know that there's something in our pool.